Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. My topic is e-waste recycling. Before starting e-waste recycling, please like, subscribe my YouTube channel. Shall we start with introduction? First we start with what is e-waste recycling. E-waste, short for electronic waste, refers to discarded electronic device and equipment that has reached the end of their useful life. These include items like old computers, smartphones, television and other electronic gadgets. E-waste can contain hazardous materials such as lead, mercury and cadmium, which can be harmful to the environment and human health if not properly disposed or recycled. E-waste responsibility to reduce its negative impact on the environment. Next is process of e-waste recycling. It has 9 stages. Shall we start with first stage of e-waste? E-waste starts with sorting and segregation. Sorting and segregating waste into different categories such as CRT television, flat screen television, printers, computer peripherals, computers and out of scope products. Second stage of e-waste, pre-sorting and weighing. E-waste weighted on our industrial scale and then sent to pre-sorting. In pre-sorting, remove the hazardous material such as battery zinc and toners, cartridges, lamp containing mercury and CRT glasses to name a few. We also fully disassemble CRT televisions. The CRT televisions contain leaded glass which can be hazardous shredded. The CRT are passed into CRT separation container, which we can recover leaded glass from non-leaded glass and then steal from the shadow masses within. After the material has been removed, the material is ready to enter the primary shredder. Third stage of e-waste, primary shredder. In primary shredder, the material will be shredded into large pieces which can be picked off easily. The material which will leave the primary shredder and pass under an overband magnet. Fourth stage of e-waste, overband magnet. Overband magnet collects materials such as steel and ferrous item and pass to the picking line. On picking line, staff pick off contamination things that aren't quite fully separated, so that we have a very clean steel products coming end of that line. The material that is picked off then pass it back through the process until it's separated properly. The remaining material then passes into the secondary shredder and hammer mill. Fifth stage of e-waste, secondary shredder and hammer mill. In secondary shredder and hammer mill, where it further reduced in size and liberated from one another, any pieces of aluminium still stuck to plastic will be separated in this stage. Material then pass into the drum magnet. Sixth stage of e-waste, ferrous metal removal. After passing the drum magnet, where and ferrous metal that will still embedded in plastic barrier, the liberation are removed. Material then enter the eddy current. Seventh stage of e-waste, removal of conductive material. After entering the eddy current separator, where magnetic induction forces are used to separate material that conduct electricity material that remained and was not ejected from eddy current separator. Eighth stage of e-waste, glass and ceramic removal by trommel. The material past the trommel, where glasses and ceramic can be removed from there. The material passes into optical sorter. Fifth stage of e-waste, optical sorting. Optical sorter, where we can further remove contaminants such as circuit boards and copper wire from plastic stream. The end of the process, we have effective recovered valuable material that contained within e-waste, and we have also isolated the hazardous that are also present in the e-waste. The hazardous material that we have recovered are sent off for further refined by companies, and valuable material will be sold and used in manufacturing process to make new product. Next we move to this slide is conclusion of e-waste recycling. It is essential for environmental sustainability and resources. Conservation e-waste contains valuable material and hazardous substance, making responsible recycle circuit. It helps reduce electronic waste negative impact on the environment, conserve resources and can generate economic benefit. Proper e-waste recycling practice including collection, dismantling and recycling must be promoted and enforced to the harmful effects of electronic waste.